When the wind's northerly, little birds like this get blown offshore. We pick them up, so we bring him in here, and we set him next to the heater. We feed him some crackers for the ride home. Let him dry out. Poor little guy. You're all right. We'll give you some crackers and some chips. We'll take care of you. Buddy found a new seat. He's ripping my hair out of my head, the big. Nope, now he is sitting on the phone. We will be in about an hour, and we're gonna let him go free. Little guy's pretty excited to see land. Here he goes. See you later, buddy.